Karibhoy Synod College kala penwai no eka Taiew Lehkmen ki samla pule nika college week haka arpho tarik unai lar. Haka tega program ki arngut ki MLA ka temri bhoy ki la shakhot ngau bha ban Shillong haka ba penwai ka tega Taiew Lehkmen joga tega Shlem ki ba kan thobi uba Meryl Bonds em MLA ka nopo baru ba Jason S Maulong MLA ka umsning. Ki wepat ki bala Shillong ki kan thobi u vice principal ka college u Reverend Precious Tumong lambat kinong hikai pat ki samla pule joga tega college. Haka tega sipen kut jaga tega college week layu I baki samla pule ki bala pen I ki sap ki pong la kalong haka ruai ka shat lemba ka jinge ko pen iriam mereka nam la du haka jinge ko pen iriam la ni Miss Ribhoy Synod College arjar arpuar layu ban ra ka samla I bala ka Taiew Mary lapang bat yaka nam Mr Ribhoy Synod College layu ban ra du samla Favorland Kamden kinongkren ki bala Jingkmen haka tega sngi kila penpau ko jing sngongu ikino penya jaga tega college ki bala shim khia ban penlong ka tega college week ka balong kum shi benta ban Taiew ka sap ka phong jang ki samla ki ba pule ha ka tega shlem ajing sta kham tam mi ki tu ki ba wana ka longying ka baduna ka yo ka kon ha ka tega sngi na ka liang jong MLA ka umsning constituency ula no sinyang daga song pisa sha ka tega shlem ajing sta kum ka dak ka jing snok tilang bar ka tega shlem ajing sta
colleges, they are our second home. Apart from the home that we live in, that we are born and brought up with our parents, school and colleges are our second home. So it is very important that we have that bonding, the love and affection towards each other, towards our teachers, towards our fellow students, how we build this family. College is a family only. There is no difference between the family you have at home, where you have your parents, where you have your brothers and sisters, your family member. Here also you live like a family. The faculty members, the teachers, the students, male and female, each and every one. The non-teaching staff, those who are very much part and parcel of this college. The governing body, the Synod College, the Synod, the Ribhoy Synod as the sponsoring body, and all the stakeholders who are there within it. We live like a family, so it is very important that we carry forward this legacy that has been built.
In front of you, studying, trying to achieve something that you've always aspired, trying to achieve something that you always look ahead. But having a college week frees your mind a bit, relaxes your mind a bit, and it brings about among students that coordination, that cooperation, that love, that caring. Because sometimes when it's just with your books, I mean the pressure is immense. So sometimes when I have activities, like the activities that I saw earlier, the prize that have been distributed, the example speech, the calligraphy, I know that outdoor activity, there was a football. So it's something that is really, really nice, that brings out, that shows the talent. And I'm sure this college, the enrollment that I got through from the vice principal was about 200. And it's just the art stream. I am sure in the times ahead, there should be different stream as well. And me as a legislator, from before and from now onwards, and here onwards as well, I'm going to be there with you. Through thick and thin, I'll give my right hand, I'll give my thoughts, my inspiration, anything that is required in this college, I'm going to be there next to you. Because I understand, I want the youth who are studying in this college to have a very, very bright future.